Hey guys, this is my hair before I go for blow dry. I documented this late last year, so let's get started. Let's go for blow dry. This is my hair in June. That was 2023. So this footage is for last year, not this year. And basically I have been having time and thinking, should I share this or not? But today's vlog is all about tips on how to get faster hair growth. So keep locked and watch till the very end. It's also a kind of December vlog, and so I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for the new subscribers, and for the returning ones, thank you so much for the support. Please consider putting your bell notifications on so you get notified in case I post another video. So this is me in June. Basically, this is day 2 after blow dry. As you can see, there's some shrinkage, and I was from church, and this is how my hair looked like, and I just love how it was looking like. You see, natural hair is a journey. We are not going to stay at the same point every day, but it's the practices. Okay, it's me here in the salon, and this is my salon is doing this. I was here like for the first time, and this is the outcome. Compared to the last time I did blow dry, I went to somewhere else, and this is the outcome. Basically, it was a good service, but what he didn't just do was putting in enough moisturizing oil. And again, I got some burns. Okay, the heat was too much, so I actually realized this after a week. So in case you're watching this, please ensure you tell your salonist if the heat is too much. Please tell them. I tried to raise my voice, but this guy did not get me. I ended up having some patches all over my head, of which I'm still healing until today. 2 months later, but I'm still healing. So that is it. So here I was just combing my hair just to put on a style for the next day. Of course, it was a Sunday and we had an invitation somewhere. So if you like my hair, please give this video thumbs up and give me a sweet comment. So today, guys, I am going to share with you some tips on how you can have your hair grow very fast. You see, your hair needs some foods for it to grow, so you need to feed your hair for it to grow well and healthy. So today, this was the next day, and I looked like this. What can you say about this hairstyle? It was epic. So tip number 1 is water. Water. I don't know how many times I've talked about this. Water helps the body to process and flush out toxins faster, which makes it a quick and easy natural method that will make your hair grow a lot faster. So don't neglect the use of water. If you drink about 8 cups of water a day, not only will your body feel better, but you are sorry guys, sorry. If you drink water, you will get stronger. The stronger the hair, the faster that it grows. Drinking water also keeps your hair hydrated from the inside out. So tip number 1 is hydration. Drink water. Tip number 2 for faster hair growth is get hot or scalp massages. This is one of the coolest tips for making your hair grow. I think I need to do a vlog on that. hot oil scalp massages. So if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll go ahead and do it. Don't mind about this footage coming in this video. This is just a vlog that I did in December and I thought I should share it with you. Tip number 3 is a mix of aloe vera and honey. Mix the flesh of 3 leaves of aloe vera with honey and apply it over the scalp. Wait for 20 minutes and wash your hair out as usual. I don't know, I love aloe vera. I love aloe vera. It is the best ever plant that I cannot live without. So it is not only used for hair growth but also for scalp massaging and also making sure that your scalp is clean. It also helps you cure dandruff. So if you don't know how to use aloe vera, check out my playlist. There is a video on how I did that. The next tip is try castor oil hair treatment. It's all simple, just massage your scalp with castor oil and leave it overnight. Then the next morning, wash and condition your hair as usual. Do these treatments once or twice a week. So, with the oils that you need to use as a naturalist, I am encouraging you castor oil. It is a good oil if especially you are regrowing your edges. Tip number 3. Number 4, one way to make your hair grow faster is by massaging your scalp daily. Be gentle and don't go too fast, but do this for about 30 seconds a minute to a minute. What this basically does is stimulate your hair follicles, thereby helping your hair grow. You should see a difference in after 4 to 6 weeks. Yes, massaging. I know we are coming from work, we are tired, but sis, before you go to bed, please ensure you're massaging your hair. We said at least 30 seconds. Another tip is apply egg whites to make your hair grow faster. Egg whites have been known for their healing properties and their ability to replenish hair and restore its softness and shine. Just crack open a few eggs, strain out the yolks and make an egg white mask for your hair. Your hair will look 10 times better. So egg whites. If you can get an egg, then take away the yellow parts and then use the egg white. I hope we are together. Another tip is boiling some onions in water and use the water on your hair. No lie, this one is a no lie. It helps me also to kill dandruff. It will make it grow super fast and it will give it an awesome sheen that everyone will be jealous of. Don't worry, there's no danger of a lingering bad smell, especially after you rinse. So if you're going to use onion juice, I'm encouraging you also to add in lemon just to kill the smell. Otherwise, you'll have a very luscious, shiny hair. The next tip is if you want to make your hair grow faster, essential oils can really help. Essential oils can be used all over your body, but if you're trying to grow your hair, I suggest mixing 3 drops of lavender oil, 3 drops of rosemary oil, and 2 drops each of thyme oil and cedarwood oil, along with some jojoba oil. All of this should go right into your head, and I promise the mixture will enhance your hair and make it grow that much faster. Able to try it. So this is the technique of mixing oils. It's not necessarily the oils that I have mentioned. You can use a combo of coconut, aloe vera oil, avocado oil, whichever oil that you can get, and then I'm encouraging you to mix them to get a maximum hair care results. Another tip is fenugreek accelerates your hair growth. Fenugreek seeds, if you can get them, then you can use them and it protects the natural color of your hair. You can take 1 teaspoonful of fenugreek paste or seeds and add 2 spoonful of coconut milk. Leave it for 30 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. So fenugreek seeds, you can blend them and use them, or it depends. You can soak them and use the juice, or you can make a very beautiful paste for yourself. So guys, if you watched up to this point, I'm encouraging you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at She is Jacinta. And if you're a Christian lady, please join our ministry. The link is in the description box. Don't go away without checking the description box. Let's get social on Facebook, Instagram. And please follow my Facebook group. It's called African Virgin Hair Improvement. You'll get their healthy hair care tips daily. Another tip is extract the milk of coconut and apply on your targeted areas. Keep it overnight and then rinse off with cool water the next day. This is the most effective hair growth treatment. We all know that coconut oil is the best oil. It helps you if you are undergoing unnecessary hair fall in brackets. Then I'll encouraging you to use coconut oil. Like that one is not enough, so we are learning about its milk. Its milk again is also very essential, and it promotes hair growth. The last but not least is everyone is familiar with the magical properties of amla. It is the powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamin C. Amla promotes healthy hair growth and also improves the pigmentation of the hair. Mix 2 tablespoonfuls of amla powder or juice with 2 spoons of lime juice. Apply this on the scalp and let it dry. Rinse with warm water. Yes, amla oil. Amla, like it's plant. You can use the paste, you can use the leaves. It is just a whole lot of a juicy thing to use on your natural hair. Okay, I've got a video about amla. Also check my playlist, you'll have it. I also talked about the benefits of amla oil. It's actually a good oil, quite kind of very expensive, like neem oil, but it is the best. I assure you the use of amla oil will change your hair game. So guys, our hair care tips are ending up here, and we are continuing with our traditional home vlog. So this is me in the village. I wanted to do something very interesting. I was actually again shooting some shorts for you guys on my other channel, Ladies of Modesty. So if you've not subscribed to that channel, please subscribe. Check the link in the description box. I've got another ministry channel, Debut Ladies of Modesty. So guys, that's said and done and dusted. Know that natural hair is beautiful, it's wonderful. It's the work for you to do it every day. Natural hair is not difficult to maintain. It's just you invest your time in your hair, invest your time in buying enough oil for you, and invest with your all money. So this is me in this part when I had done contours, and you guys, my guys, I looked very beautiful, but again these corals literally damaged my hair care again. So I embarked on a journey on regrowing my edges, and these videos are coming up very soon. So please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed, and give me thumbs up, give me a sweet comment, and why not get social? Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and please you guys, watch my previous videos, and please share this video to other friends and family. We are on road to 4,000 watch hours. That means I want to get monetized, guys, so that good I can buy good instrument to get content for you guys. Please support me, please support me, please support me. Give me thumbs up so that this video can get suggested to so many people, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And you see guys, this video went up on my channel recently. If you haven't watched it, please go ahead and watch it. It's a very amazing video on how I came up with these tutorials. So this is the other side of a modest. My name is Jacinta, and please find your purpose and chase it. Be the love, spread the love. Jesus Christ loves you unconditionally. Until we meet the next time, please love, and share. See you in the next one, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye bye.